No, don't do this. I will teach you in this video a better command in AutoCAD to change the letter case of this sentence to anything you want. And another thing I will teach you in this video also, how to change the text for the multi-leader, that you will not find a command in AutoCAD to do so. So try to watch the video till the end. But before we start, please press on the like button, subscribe, and hit the ring button to get notified when we upload a new video. And now, let's start. If we have sentence like this one, and we want to change the letter case of this sentence, we will use the command in AutoCAD that will give us this variety. If we wanted to change it to uppercase, lowercase, and title, we will do this process very fast. So let's see what the command can do. The command is tcase. I will click on the text that I want to change. Then I will click enter. You will see that we have sentence, lower, upper, title, toggle. Now I will show you what we can do with each option. I will try now the first option. Sentence. Sentence will make the first letter of the first word capital. Lower. Lower will make all the word or all the sentence in a small letters, in lowercase. Upper will make all the letters capital. Title will make the first letter of each word capital. Toggle will make all the letters capital except the first letter of each word. Will make it small, as you can see. Now after I found the tcase command, I asked myself, what if I wanted to use the same command with the multi-leader text? And I tried to do so. I found that the command is not working with the multi-leader text. But don't worry. After searching on the internet, I found the solution. I found a Lisp that can do the same process of the tcase command with the multi-leader text. Now we just need to load the Lisp inside the AutoCAD drawing. And if you don't know how to load a Lisp inside AutoCAD drawing, I made a video before on my channel. I will put the link in the description and on the screen also, explaining how to load a Lisp inside an AutoCAD drawing with 3 different ways. Now we need to load the Lisp inside the AutoCAD drawing. After I loaded the Lisp inside the AutoCAD drawing, we need to write in the command line tcase2 to try the command. What you will see that we have the same options of the tcase command: sentence, lower, upper, title, toggle. And we will try one of them. We will try sentence. The command is working fine. After we finished, thank you for watching the video till the end, and see you in the next video with more ideas.